How to fix Telegram not downloading files. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram and try downloading files again. If not, simply open Settings and then go to Search button on top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up after you click on Search button. Search for apps and then you'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Telegram. After you click on Telegram, simply force stop the app. After you force stop the app, go to permissions, which is below notification and above storage and cache. In here, click on files and media. Make sure you have allowed access to media. After that, simply go back. Go to storage and cache, clear cache. After that, simply open the app and try downloading the files. Your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Telegram not downloading files. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.